Good morning to my friends. My name is Mark Kumar Sani. Today we writing a notes of class 9 history chapter number 1 the French Revolution. So let's start it. The notes of आपको पता ही और तो आप इसको वीडियो को बीच बीच में स्किप मतलब रोक के फिर लिख सकते हैं. मैं ओनली ये डिलीट कर देता हूँ. आपको कोई परेशानी नहीं दिख नहीं रहा होगा. सो और मतलब और कोई भी सब्जेक्ट की आपको वीडियो चाहिए तो मुझे ये कर दीजिए कमेंट बॉक्स में टाइप करके कमेंट लिखिए. सो लेट्स बिगिन. The French society during the late 18th century. The French society comprised first state Calgary, second state nobility, third state big businessmen, merchants, court official, peasants, artisan, landless, labor, servants, etc. Sub within the third state were rich and some were poor. मतलब पुअर कुछ लोग बिल्कुल गरीब थे. The burden of financing activity of the third state through taxes was borne by the third state alone. The struggle for survival population of France grave and so did the demand for grain. The gap between the rich and poor witnessed these led substitution trends. The growing middle classes, this third state was educated and believed that no group in society should be privileged by the birth. These ideas were put forward by philosophers such as Locke, to English philosopher, and Rousseau, the French philosopher. The American Constitution and Guaranteed of individual life right was an important example of political theories of France. These ideas were discussed intensively in salons and coffee houses, spread among people through book and newspaper. These were even read aloud. The outbreak of revolution. The French Revolution went to through various states when Louis XVI बोलता है उसको मतलब ये यहाँ का किंग था became the king of the French in 1774 and iterated the treasury which was impacted. There was growing discount within the society of old Richmond. 1789 Conservation of State Journal. The third state from a National Assembly tennis court or the Bastille is strong peasant revolts in the countryside. Assembly issues Declaration of Right of Man. 1791 a constitution is formed to limit the power of the king and granted the basic right to the all human being. 1972 to 1903 sorry conservation of Blaise Monterrey. France became a republic. The Jacobin Republic overthrown by directory rule. France. 1795 new constitution is adopted. A new conservation appointed a fine man directed to run the state. from 26th October 1795, Cursus reopened 1999 the revolution, and with the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte, Napoleon's policy director and Iblis constitute the timeline. The French Revolution 1770s to 1780 economic decline. France government independent debate in 1974. Louis XVI ascended to the throne. 1788 to 1789 bad harvest, high prices, food rot. 1789 May 5 state generally convert demand reform. 1789 July National Assembly formed. Bastille storm on July 14. French Revolution started. 1789 August 4 Night of August 4 and the right of the artillery, the surrender of feudal rights. 1789 August 26 Declaration of Right of Man. 1797 Constitution of Calgary nationalized the church. 1791 dissolution of the National Constituent Assembly. 1792 Constitution of 1791 convert absolute monarchy into a constitutional monarchy with limit power. 1792 Austria and Prussia attacked revolutionary France. Robespierre elected the first deputy of Paris to the National Convention. 1793 Louis XVI and Marie Antoinette were executed. And 1792 to 1794 and 1793 the reason of terror start. Austria, Britain, the Netherlands, Prussia and Spain were at war with France. Robespierre Committee of Public Safety reply back for in invader execute many emblems of the people in France itself. 1794 Robespierre is executed. France is governed by a directory, a committee of 5 men, the result of the terror, and 1795 National Conservation dissolved. 1799 Napoleon Bonaparte became the leader of the French Revolution. And Women Revolution. From a very beginning, women were active participants in the event which brought about so many changes in French society. Most of the women of the third estate had worked for a living. Their wages were lower than those men. They demand equal pay for equal work. In order to discuss and voice their interest, women started their own political club and newspapers. One of their main demand was that women must enjoy the same political right as men. Some laws were introduced to improve the position of women. They struggle sit constitutes in several parts of the world. It was finally in 1946 that women in France won the right to vote. लिस्ट पढ़ेंगे, या इसको ऊपर ही कर देता हूँ मैं. The abolition of slavery. There was a triangular slave trade among Europe, Africa and America. In the 18th century, there was little Christian of slavery in France. No laws were passed against it. It was in 1794 that the conservation made free to all slaves. But 10 years later, slaveries were reintroduced by Napoleon. It was finally in 1848 that slavery was abolished in the France colonies. The Revolution and everyday life. The year following 1789 in France saw many changes in the lives of men, women and children. Last page बचाइए. The revolutionary government took it upon themselves to pass law that would translate the idea of liberty and equality into everyday practice. One important law that came into effect was the abolition of censorship. The idea of liberty and democratic rights were the most important legacy of the French Revolution. These spread from France to the rest of Europe. During the 19th century, Napoleon in 1804, in 1804, Napoleon crowned himself Emperor of France. He set out a conquer neighboring European countries, disposing dynastic and creating kingdom, where he placed a member of his family. He saw his role as a modernist of Europe. He was finally defeated of Waterloo in 1815. So, made by Hemant Kumar Saini. His notes. So let's. So मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. बहुत मेहनत लगती है वीडियो बनाने में. प्लीज़ थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू एंड थैंक यू.